So obviously everybody's spoken, and before Deepak comes here and says, "Megha, khatam kar de," I'm just going to not repeat what we've heard. We had a note. In a sense, I think everybody's spoken about how powerful. We are looking at as an industry. There have been conversations, and I remember at a time when marketers and brand guys used to come in and say, "We've figured out everything. We just want you to do off an event." And or create an experience. From there to today, where we're talking about IPs as a soft power, about being a creative economy, and being at such a pivotal moment. I just want to take a moment to say, in the last 3 years, I think Shows of India has mirrored this evolution and has worked on building what was a very small, I don't want to say small, but it was a very strong vision in Deepak's head. And I've had the honor to kind of work with him to build it. From a single stage 3 years ago to 3 stages in one day to two to making it a destination festival. We're just very excited to have you here. I know Harkaran's been thanked, but I think to move to a format that is a 1.5 day and to have everyone here has been possible because of him. And we really, really hope that you guys, all of you guys, girls, women, I don't know if I can't see if Rima is here in the audience at this point. All of you have a really, really good time. We've got very, very exciting sessions. We hope you have FOMO when you see, a speaker here and a speaker there and you don't know where to go. That's been the effort. And we're looking forward to one really big thing, like Deepak said, at the end of this conclave and before the next one, the one thing that we want to come back with and say, hey, we had the industry here with us. And at the beginning of the next one, we're just going to say, we had 100 conversations, we had 10 things that came out of that conversation, and those are the 10 stories or 20 stories or 50 stories that we are talking about on the Shows of India stage. So thank you once again. We're going to have Harkaran come up next, to kind of talk about this brilliant property, and after which we're breaking into two rooms. But Harkaran, thank you once again, and this one's for you.